You start from front leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back 1, right side 1, and down 1, and go back. Left and upper side. Go up and up. And left and down. Complete the other leg. 2, 3, 4. Go back. Left and down, down, go up, and right side. Go up and complete the second leg. Do the round design. 1, 2, here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go back, come to 6, and then you do inside middle square. In the round there is one square. You do first this square. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 2, 1, and come to outside to the round. And go upper side, cross, and straight left side. And upper side, right side, down, and back. You do one square here. Come back, left, and upper side cross. Do here another round. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. go back, up, cross line, and go inside the square. Do inside one square. Down and right. Complete the square. Complete the square and come outside to the round. And do here another square. Right and down, left, straight and right straight, back, go up straight and left straight, complete the square, and go up cross line and go up straight, another straight and left, go up straight and left, go up straight and left, back, come right side and down, right side and down, right side and down. And left. Cross down and here and upper side cross, left side, right side straight and cross and touch to the round, come back, left, down side cross, right side and right side straight, touch to the round and come down side straight and left straight, down left cross, right straight and upper side touch to the round and come back cross, down, straight left, upper side cross, straight, touch to the round and down cross, down side straight, down side left cross, straight and left straight, upper side straight, do here one square and right side straight and back and down side straight and do another round here.